Hi, in this video we will learn how to increase values by a percentage in Excel. Here I have 3 values and we will increase each of them by 10%. Method 1, multiply by 1.1. For the first value, click in the next cell and type equals B3 to 1.1. Use 1.1 for a 10% increase, 1.2 for a 20% increase, and so on. So 100 becomes 110. Method 2. Use the percentage format. For the second value, type equals B4 times 110%. Make sure to include the percent sign. This also increases the value by 10%, so 2,000 becomes 2,200. Method 3, add the percentage increase separately. For the third value, type equals B5 plus B5.1. Here, 0.1 represents 10%, so 1,000 becomes 11,000. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.